Hare Krishna बच्चों. Today we will study about the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Now suppose we have a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Now we will try to understand what happens to the trigonometric ratios of angle A if the angle A gets smaller and smaller. If it tends toward the 0 degree. Now what happens? Suppose this angle is going to decrease, angle A going to decrease, it tends toward 0 degree. Now then the length of the BC becomes decreasing. Look here, when the angle A becomes smaller, then the length of the BC will decreasing. Now when angle A is very close to 0 degree, remember that angle A is not 0 degree, it is very close to 0 degree, then this point C coincide with BC, mean the length of BC becomes very close to 0 and which we consider as 0. Now this BC becomes 0, mean our perpendicular in this case becomes 0. Our perpendicular, this BC, our perpendicular becomes 0. Now let's find the trigonometric ratio now. For example, sine A, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now 0 upon something we all know that is 0. Got this point or not? Now cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Now very important. When angle A becomes 0, this AC becomes equals to AB because BC is 0 and this AC falls on AB. So it's mean that AC becomes equals to AB. Mean base and hypotenuse becomes equals to each other. B is equals to H. So cos A is equals to B upon H. That we can say that it is H upon H because both are equal. So that's answer becomes 1. Now you know all tan A. Tan A, what is tan A? Tan A is perpendicular upon base. Now perpendicular we have, perpendicular is 0. So 0 upon something you all know that is 0. Therefore tan A becomes 0. Now what happened to the cot A? Cot A is equals to, that is base upon perpendicular. Now base upon 0. You all know that when we divide anything by 0, it is not a defined term. So that is not defined. Now next is secant A. Secant A is your reciprocal of cos, that is H upon B. Again H and B are same. Therefore we can write it as H upon H. We will get the answer 1. Now next is cosecant A. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, then it becomes H upon P. Now H upon 0, therefore it is a not defined term. To find the trigonometric ratio for 90 degree, let us see what happens when angle A gets larger and larger. Suppose we move this point A toward B. Now when we move this point A toward B, the angles becomes larger and larger. जब हम A पॉइंट को B की तरफ मूव कराएंगे तो ये जो एंगल A है ये इंक्रीज होता जाएगा और एक टाइम आएगा जब ये A पॉइंट जो है वो B पॉइंट के पास पहुंच जाएगा, then this angle C becomes near about 0 and this angle A becomes very close to 90 degree. Then this base is approximately 0. Mean here our base is 0. In this case our base is 0. This base AB. When we push A toward B, when A moves toward B, this angle A becomes larger and larger. And at one point when A is very close to B, this angle A is approximately 90 degree and this angle C is approximately 0 degree. In this case the base becomes 0 and this hypotenuse coincides with this perpendicular. Mean the perpendicular and hypotenuse becomes equal in this case. Now let's find the trigonometric ratio. Sine 90 degree, you all know sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse and they both are equal, therefore its answer we can say 1. Same way you can find cos 90 degree. Cos 90 is base upon hypotenuse. In this case base is 0, so 0 upon hypotenuse is 0. 0 upon something is 0. tan 90 degree we want to find tan 90 is perpendicular upon base, that is perpendicular, and base is our 0. If we divide any number by 0, it is a not defined term. And now tan 90 degrees, after that let's take cot 90 degree is your base upon perpendicular. In this case base is 0, so 0 upon perpendicular gives you 0. Next is secant 90 degree. Secant is the reciprocal of cos, so it becomes hypotenuse upon base, that is hypotenuse base here is 0, so if we divide any number by 0, it is a not defined term. Now after that last one is cosecant 90 degree. Cosecant you have that is reciprocal of sine, that becomes h upon p. They both are equal because p is equals to h, therefore its answer becomes 1. So today we have learned the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. बहुत से बच्चों के मन में ये क्वेश्चन था, बहुत से बच्चों ने मुझसे पूछा था कि सर अगर ये एंगल 0 डिग्री हो जाए तो यहाँ तो ट्राइंगल ही नहीं रहेगी, देन व्हाट डज साइन 0 डिग्री, कॉस 0, साइन 90, कॉस 90, इनका क्या मतलब है? तो रिमेंबर दैट दिस एंगल इज नॉट 90 डिग्री बट इट इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली वेरी क्लोज टू 90 डिग्री. And there is a triangle, this angle A here is very close to 90 degree, but it is not 90 degree. Thank you very much.